The topic is consumer equilibrium indifference curve analysis. What is means of indifference curve? Indifference curve. Indifference curve is a curve. Indifference, you can say in short, indifference curve is a curve showing combination, a different combination of two goods which offer same level of satisfaction to the consumer. It is called indifference curve. What is means of indifference curve? Indifference curve is a curve showing a combination of two goods which offer same level of satisfaction to the consumer. कहने का अर्थ ये है कि इंडिफरेंस कर्व एक ऐसा कर्व है, इसे तटस्थता कर्व भी बोलते हैं, उदासीनता कर्व भी बोलते हैं। एक ऐसा कर्व है जो दो वस्तुओं के उन संयोगों को बताता है जिस पर विभिन्न संयोगों को बताता है जिस पर कंज्यूमर को सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है। फॉर द एग्जाम्पल, there are two commodities which are used by consumer. First one, apple. Second one, orange. This is a combination, difference combination. Apple 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange 10, 7, 5, 4. First combination, second combination, third combination and fourth combination. When consumer uses more and more units of apple, then he will sacrifice some units of orange. When he use apple 1, orange 10. When we use one more apple, 1 to second, then he sacrifice 3 units of orange plus 1 or sacrifice 3. When we use 1 more units of apple, then he sacrifice 2 units of orange. When he increase 1 more unit of apple, then he sacrifice 1 unit of orange. It means orange decrease. Orange units is decrease in decreasing rate, increase in decreasing rate. First decrease 3, second decrease 2, third decrease 1. So decrease in decreasing manner. So every combination, one combination, we have 1 set, 2 set, 3 set and 4 set. Every set provide same level of satisfaction. Assume करते हैं 1 and 10 get satisfaction 10, 10, 10 and 10. Every combination gives same level of satisfaction 10, 10, 10. Repeat again. Indifference curve analysis. What is means of indifference curve analysis? Indifference curve is a curve showing a different combination of two goods which offer same level of satisfaction to the consumer. For the example, there are two commodities which are used by consumer, apple and orange. When he increase more and more units of apple, then he decrease some units of orange. In decreasing rate. Now I am going to mention graph. Here we saw apple. Here we saw orange. OXY. Orange apple 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Two, 3, and 4. Assume on OX-axis we will show apple, units of apple. OY-axis we shows units of orange. First set is orange 10, apple 1. We will show this combination in this point. Second one 2 and 7. Third one 3 and 5. Fourth one 4 and 4. This is an IC. First combination, B combination, C combination, and T combination. There are 4 combinations shown in this graph A, B, C, and D. Every point of this combination offer same level of satisfaction, same level of satisfaction to the consumer. So this is a indifference curve with the help of table, schedule, and graph. Next is assumption. Next topic is assumptions. There are 4 and 5 assumptions. First assumption is money income. Money income of the consumers is given does not change. First assumption says money income of the consumers is given. How much money do you have? Or that money is constant money, does not change. So first assumption, consumer have constant money, money is given to the consumer. Second assumption is money, income spends on 2 goods. For the example, apple and orange. Consumer uses 2 goods, apple and orange, or income is spent on the 2 goods. Both goods are substitute to each other. Substitute to each other. Third conjunction है consumer use goods on the preference base. कंज्यूमर अपना जो पैसा खर्च करता है गुड्स पर वो प्रेफरेंस के आधार पर करता है कि वो पहले पैसा ज्यादा किस पर खर्च करे और कम किस पर खर्च करेगा। फोर्थ assumption is more goods give more satisfaction. It is called monotonic preferences. Monotonic preference. Fifth one, consumer motives to get maximum satisfaction. There are 5 assumptions of IC, यानी कि इंडिफरेंस का। फर्स्ट, money income of the consumer is given but does not change. मतलब कंज्यूमर की इनकम दी हुई है और उसे वो चेंज नहीं कर सकता। सेकेंड वन है कि कंज्यूमर अपने पैसे को यूज करता है, यानी कि इनकम स्पेंड ऑन द टू गुड्स, बोथ गुड्स आर सब्स्टिट्यूट टू ईच अदर। थर्ड वन, कंज्यूमर यूज गुड्स ऑन प्रेफरेंस बेस, तो कंज्यूमर अपनी इनकम को दो गुड्स पर प्रेफरेंस के आधार पर, पसंदगी के आधार पर खर्च करता है। मोर गुड्स मोर सेटिस्फैक्शन प्रोवाइड या गिव्स मोर सेटिस्फैक्शन टू द कंज्यूमर। अधिक से अधिक वस्तुओं को यूज करने पर दोनों गुड्स की अगर अधिक मात्रा बढ़ाता है तो इसका मतलब है उसे अधिक सेटिस्फैक्शन मिल रहा है। तो कंज्यूमर मोटिव टू गेट मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन। तो दिस इज ए टुडे टॉपिक, कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम इंडिफरेंस कर्व एनालिसिस, यानी कि दो वस्तुएं हैं, दो वस्तुओं के वो विभिन्न कॉम्बिनेशन प्राप्त करता है जिसपे उसे सेम लेवल मतलब इक्वल यानी कि समान उसे सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है। तो दे आर 5 assumptions. मनी इनकम इज गिवन, मनी इनकम स्पेंड टू गुड। थर्ड वन, कंज्यूमर यूज गुड्स on the preference base or more goods provide more satisfaction. It is called monotonic preferences. Consumer motives to get maximum satisfaction. Thank you. Have a nice day.